to Just in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. I'm doing a kind of end of summer fair, carnival, bye-bye, I hate to see you go type of montage. So I've done a frozen drink, like a smoothie, and then I did, because I've already done lemonade, so that's my other favorite thing. And I did a corn dog, must have a corn dog. The other thing I said I must have, funnel cake. So that's what I'm going to teach you how to do today. Again, make sure you subscribe to YouTube. Lots of you have, over 200. Thank you very much. I just love you guys. Mwah. But those that are watching me on Facebook, make sure to pop over YouTube. Just subscribe or pop to the end of the video and subscribe. Or watch the whole video and then at the end, subscribe. So what is it I want you to do? Subscribe and then ding the bell. They'll let you know what's coming up. All right, so my funnel cake. I love funnel cake. The difference between a funnel cake and an elephant ear is a funnel cake goes, it's a batter and it goes through a funnel. Woo! That's how you do it. An elephant ear is made out of dough. And it's fried and it's big and it's flat. So that's the difference. This is yummy. And you can do, it's usually powdered sugar, but you know, you can drip caramel over it or strawberry sauce or chocolate over it. I'm going to do the basic powdered sugar, but you could do cinnamon sugar, whatever you want. The possibilities are endless with a funnel cake. It is just a venue for ooey and gooey, right? So I have flour in here, and then right here I have baking powder, not soda. The little trick here is if don't use baking soda if you're not using something to activate it, because it needs like a acid to activate it. Buttermilk, something like that, lemon juice. So, and then I have a little salt in there. Now this is something they don't do. I add cinnamon. I like it. Why not? So what would be good on this one if you add cinnamon? Ooh, apples. And what's coming up in September? Apple season, yeah. So then I have sugar, a little bit of sugar. They don't usually add it, but I like it a little bit sweet, because sometimes you just need extra sweet. All right, set that aside. Then I am going to, oh, I forgot my nutmeg. You must have a little bit of nutmeg. And I don't know if I've told you before, I love the smell of nutmeg. I could probably eat the nut. Oh, I love it. But add a little bit in here. And like I said, just go ahead and, throw the whole nutmeg in. Go. Just a little bit. There we go. Apples. Apples with caramel would be good on this. And a little vanilla ice cream. So vanilla ice cream, apples, and caramel. That's I just gave you your next hurrah, right? Now, I'm going to mix my wet ingredients. 2 eggs. Put that in there. Vanilla. There we go. That's bye-bye vanilla. You know I love my vanilla, right? And poke those eggs. See, isn't this adorable? I know it's kind of kitschy, but I love it. Now, as I pour it in, I'm gonna mix it. And you want it smooth. That's why I do the flour in here instead of the liquid ingredients in there. I don't want the glutens to get all tough, so I'll mix. There we go. There you go. There is the batter. See all the cinnamon and the nutmeg? Ah, smells so good. Like I said, apples and caramel. You could add some pumpkin and have pumpkin funnel cake. Oh, all the possibilities are endless. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna go over to the stove and I'll show you how to do it. So you put your batter in here with your finger on the bottom. And then you take your finger off and you're gonna swirl it around in a circle. You're always gonna get the little things that go off. Look on the bottom. I mean, it starts to brown around the sides before it will be completely flippable. I like it a little more golden than what it is right now. There we go. And they make their own little shapes. They're free form. They're like a snowflake. No two are alike. None of them are perfect. Snowflakes are prettier though. But these taste better than a snowflake. Come and put it on a paper towel. And while it's still warm, put your powdered sugar on it. A lot or a little, however you want. There you go. A little bit more on that, why not? I'll finish these up and we'll be right back. They're done. It doesn't take long. And, ooh, where do I want to go? I don't know. All right, we'll take this little, right here. I want to be on a carousel. I don't know if you can hear that. Can you hear that? I can hear it. Anyway, I can taste the cinnamon. Now it doesn't taste like a cinnamon donut or anything. You just have that little bit of a extra oomph in the dough. It's a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg. It tastes so good. I can't quit eating them. I am going to have to. So, remember, if you want these recipes and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com for all these recipes. There are tons of them. So I've done end of summer. We've done a bunch of them. I've done the hot dog, corn dog. Done corn dogs. I've done a lot of fair type of things. So remember to go on YouTube, subscribe down at the bottom, and then right next to it, there's a little bell. Pop it. You want to get notified when I get new recipes. Also, let me know if you have other recipes you would like me to put out there, or other series. I think, fall's coming up. Ooh, I want summer still, but fall is coming up, so we're looking at apples. We're looking at corn is coming in now. Tomatoes are coming in, lots of tomatoes. So maybe I'll do some veggies. I don't know. Inspire me. I will talk to you soon. God bless. Thank you for subscribing. Have a great summer. Bye.